Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to see how we can add a thousand separator in gravity form. But this is a different kind of thousand separator because you have the thousand separator option while you are typing, but it's not showing up right now, right? But when you just click anywhere out of this field like this, the thousand separator appears instantly. But the client want when the user is typing, it will automatically show up the thousand separator like this. Okay, so how we can achieve this? I have gone through the actual gravity form documents, but I could not found any hints about this. So I had to write some code to make it work perfectly. So let's get started. First, let's move on our WordPress dashboard. And since we're using Elementor, and you can use any other plugins that insert code in the header or footer from Elementor in custom code, and I am going to add new code. So custom code for comma separator while typing. So that's it. So I want to add this code at the body end, and then I want to add some script tag, which is right like this, and then I'll just paste in some code. Before that, I'll have to publish, and I want to add a condition, so I don't want to add this entire site. So I'm selecting singular and pages, and then I have a specific page which is Fundera, and then save and close. So now what we have to do is paste in some code. I already have gone through the code, so I have the code here. You can get the code link in the description below. So just update for a specific form like I have in this page. So I want to add the code or work code on this field. So here I'm going to inspect and then choose the input ID. So just grab the input ID here, copy it. At the bottom of the code, you have the query selector here. So let me make it zoom. So you have the query selector. Instead of input, I want to add the input ID that we have just copied. So let's go ahead and update, refresh the page. Then let's type in some numbers. Boom, it's working. And we're still, the cursor is blinking, and we can see there is a thousand separator here. And we can add any numbers here, and it works perfectly. So this is how you can add thousand separators. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you have subscribed our channel, and if you are already subscribed, please hit the like button to support. Thank you.